Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to update save password in Chrome. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser, and then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll all the way down into password and autofill. Then simply go to password. Then go to Google Password Manager, click on that, and it's going to take you right here. And all the password you have saved is going to be found right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and look for the actual password you would like to update. So for instance, if I want to simply update this particular password right here, so this account right here, I'll simply open up the account. Then after open up the account, next thing I'm going to do is to simply come to Edit tab right here, click on Edit, and it's going to allow you to make some change. Then you can come to the password right here and type in new password as far as the section is concerned. Having tapped in the new password, next thing you need to do is to simply click on save. And with that, the password has been updated to your current password in your Chrome manager. I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.